Hi guys, I am going to make a vlog. You can see childrens are drinking the tea and eating some eating some fans. You can see Agastya is eating and Pius is drinking the tea and Sia is also drinking the tea from the ball. And you can see Agastya and Pius. Yes, baby. Ladla, what are you saying? Pius, don't take it. You can see Agastya has taken the tea into the ball and Pius has put the spoon into the glass and is sipping. You can see. So they are enjoying. So first of okay, Pius, don't disturb him. First of all, I would like to say Happy Raksha Bandhan to you. And since morning it has been raining. Now I am going outside. You can see this is a cart on which a lot of water is available, and right now also it is raining and it is pouring. You can see the water is pouring. You can see there is a bucket which is also filled with the water. And now from this side you can see there is a slipper which is floating on the water. You can see there is a slipper which is floating. Floating means terra, which is floating on the water. And you can see here is the auto. One of autos is ours and second is of our uncles. So they are standing here and you can see the water is pouring. And now from here you can also see the trees which is at the front of our home is looking very nice. These are the trees of pomegranate and something else, I don't know about that. So you can see the weather is awesome, I would like to say. Now I am going to make the vlog inside the room, and you can see there is water lost. If you are capable to see at the front of our home, there is water lost. So it is a problem. You can't do anything. There is water lost. No one is outside the room due to rain. So now I am going on upstairs to make my remaining vlog. Now my brother is here. You can see my brother is going taking the utensils on upstairs. My brother is going taking the utensil on upstairs. Yes, baby. Agastya is saying something. What are you saying? Come. What are you saying? Now I am here. You can see Sia is sitting on the chair, and Sia's mother is cooking. Is going to cook the vegetable. This is called the girvar in Bhojpuri language. They have turned on the fan and they are drying it. Yes, baby. Okay, 1 minute. Now Agastya's mother is doing something with the girvar. She is now going to boil it and then she will prepare the dish. Since today is Raksha Bandhan, isn't guys? Now Agastya has come here and you can see water. It is a water bottle which is on the ladder. Now Agastya has come here. Now he is going inside. Now you can see here is also a bucket which is filled with the water. And here you can see orange hair, onion. This is onion and this is tomato. This is coriander. Now what is called, I forgot about the meaning of something, so that's why I am not saying. Yes, baby. What are you saying? Come to me. Whenever I make a vlog, Agastya wants to come in that vlog, so that's why he is saying that take to me. Now I have taken to Agastya. Now you can see this is a broom. Broom means jhadu. This is the broom, and this is the bed. And this is my newspaper which I study since. Although today's newspaper didn't come, I didn't study, but this is the newspaper of yesterday. And now this is the pillow. You can see this is a pillow means takiya. This is a pillow. So try to speak whatever situation you have on that topic. You should try to. Now I am going upstairs. If some situation I get, I will also try to make the tour. You can see there is water lost. There is water lost. My mother is inside the room. She is talking. My father is also inside the room. They are talking. My father didn't go to drive the auto since it's been raining. It has been raining since morning, isn't Ladla? It has been raining since morning, isn't? Am I wrong or right? Ladla doesn't understand. So now I would like to say that thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you.